Lesson 2. Compressor Types and Aerodynamics. Gas turbine engines rely on compressors to pack air densely before combustion. There are two main designs used. A single-stage centrifugal compressor uses a rotating impeller to accelerate air radially outward, a fixed diffuser to convert that kinetic energy into static pressure, and a manifold to route it to the combustor. However, placing multiple centrifugal impellers in series creates complex ducting with high pressure losses, and large diameter impellers create excessive frontal drag. To achieve high overall pressure ratios, engines can stack multiple stages of an axial compressor in series. In an axial compressor, rotor blades add kinetic energy to the air, and stationary stator blades act as divergent passages that diffuse that high-velocity air, converting kinetic energy into static pressure and directing it onto the next rotor stage. Since each axial stage typically only achieves a pressure ratio between 1.1 to 1 and 1.35 to 1, engines stack multiple stages to achieve high overall pressure. But axial compressors face a specific aerodynamic risk, known as a compressor stall. Because compressor blades are aerofoils, if the axial airflow velocity drops too low compared to the rotor RPM, the angle of attack exceeds the critical stall angle, causing airflow separation. If a localized stall is uncorrected, it can become a full compressor surge, where high-pressure air violently reverses flow forward out of the engine, causing loud bangs and thermal spikes. To prevent this during low RPM operation, engines use transient bleed valves to dump intermediate stage air overboard, which speeds up the axial flow through the front stages. Modern engines also use variable stator vanes, which automatically adjust their angles to maintain optimum airflow across varying RPM ranges.